US 30 was kind of back to scalper's paradise today. All right, click. It was kind of back and forth. I don't know. It's kind of moving sideways, consolidating. So I really feel I'm leaning. Honestly, hard to lean with where the chart is right now. I do think that it's very possible to continue up. If y'all see me, every time we come down to this level right here, we bounce. Come down to this area, we come down here a couple times. And see, we bounce every time. So, you know, could very well maybe get a liquidity grab in this area, something like this, and then push back up. That's pretty much the only thing I would take right now, or the opposite. Say if we were to go up first, push up, liquidity grab in the opposite way, then take sales. That's the only thing I would look for, just because where we are right now is too much uncertainty in this area here. So we kind of have a triangle, kind of, sort of. So we can really break either way. But considering where we are on the chart, I wouldn't trust a break in either direction. So if we break down, I'm not necessarily looking to immediately start selling. I think I would just, say we just continue to drop, I would just probably let it go, because we can easily break out of this and then come back. Y'all know what I like to look for: out of the zone, back in the zone. I would take the buy down here and get that opportunity and take it up there to 34,000. Could very well continue to go up higher, as I spoke about a couple weeks ago, and then sell off. Because that's really what I'm really leaning towards, pushing above this area over here. If y'all remember that markup I dropped, and then coming back down. But yeah, so it can really go either way. So this is one of those weeks, that I talk about, keeping your head on the swivel and just being able to pivot with whatever way the market goes. So as far as news is concerned, this week we got red folders on Tuesday. We had one today. We had one this morning, but we have another one on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Ooh, okay, Powell speaking this week, so that's gonna be interesting on Friday. And then unemployment claims. Unemployment claims typically is not red. Typically like orange or yellow. So I'm gonna have to figure out why it's red this week. Why it's so important this week. I know I've been hearing a lot about all these tech companies laying people off.
I don't got time for that shit. Look, I don't got time for that shit, okay?
Yeah. We'll take a look at that. We'll talk more about that in the chat. About news and what's going on in the world. But yeah. So tomorrow will be interesting with the retail sales news coming out at 8:30. Y'all can get there. Y'all can put that in y'all alarm. Sometimes I do like 5 minutes before news so I can be prepared. To remind myself too, because I don't like to enter trades, even especially if you guys have funded accounts. They don't want you, depending on who you're with, they don't want you entering a trade a certain amount of minutes before and after news. So it's important to kind of have that, reminder, so you remind yourself not to enter a trade. Yeah. So yeah, just be on the lookout for fake outs as far as US 30 is concerned. I know y'all in GJ. You take a look at GJ right quick. What is it? Look at that. Let's see, how many pips is that? Y'all see the markup? I think this is from a week or two ago, I think. I don't know. That's like 264 pips. I know y'all been eating on GJ the past couple weeks.
Yeah, I think I caught some of that. Or when it go up, the other part when it went up at.
Yeah. Yeah, I definitely think GJ has a lot of space to go up. So more.
Recording in progress.
Yeah, y'all kind of see. Why? Hold on, wait. Why am I echoing? Okay. But yeah, y'all see the continuation setup? Double bottom right here. That's a daily double bottom too, so. I'm gonna stretch it out. So we could very well clear this high right here. Equal high. Here previously. We could very well clear both of those. Sooner than later. Y'all see the double bottom right here.
My wrist glitch is broken, nigga. Yeah, it's funny because I was like, yeah, I only do one. It's still like, nigga, that shit gay. Nigga, if you shot me, nemesis twice.
Yeah, so GJ still bullish. Take a look at gold right quick. I know Dre gonna drop the gold analysis. Y'all been trading gold or no?
I've been on and off with it.
I'm asleep on gold. Gold really that gas for real.
Yeah, I just been, you know what I'm saying, studying it.
Uh-oh. This is old. The old markup. I don't even mark up like this no more. This has to be. This is not even the same. Okay. Y'all see these lines? This is an old chart, y'all. This got to be literally years old. Because I don't even mark up like this. What is it? Is this a, hold on. I don't mark up like this no more. See, I used to use the lines, but we use zones now. We grew up out of that. That's old. Hold on. Let me see something. Gold kind of got that triangle on it too, though. See what Dre drops in the chat later on, but y'all see it. On my chart being weird, y'all. Hold on. Over black. Let me see. Something like this. A triangle. And you got these highs over here. Left. You can easily. And situations like this, gold likes to do a liquidity grab, same thing to the downside, and then push up. That's probably what you'll see. Dre did say he bullies on it, so we'll see his markup later on in the chat. But let's take a look at Bitcoin.
Oh yeah, what was Bro talking about in the chat about Bitcoin going to 5K?
Oh
Like,
yeah,
what?
yeah, he was talking about Bitcoin selling the 5K. Neo, didn't you say that a couple months ago? Said like 3 to 5K or something like that.
It's really gonna go down that low? Or
I've been calling 10K for a little while, but I don't know. Let's take a look at the monthly chart right quick.
5K from 20K? That's a lot.
But, I mean, it's down a lot already, though. You know, the high was at like 64,000 or something like that. Let's see.
Oh yeah.
The
Oh,
high
yeah.
up here.
So the shit
Not
about to crack.
necessarily. It's not. I mean, y'all, because y'all see the markup already. Y'all see I already had it marked up. Let me go back to the white background. I see how I already had it marked up for the push up and then the drop. We haven't completed the push up just yet. So I do, like I said, I already been looking at price falling down to 10K. Y'all see the imbalance right here. Market right around this area. So he's talking about 5K. 5K is right around this area. It's not necessarily like it can't happen. It's not impossible. Simply because you have this, you know, he was talking about, you know, just based off of price action. Y'all see we got this double top up here. You know, and y'all know typically the double top and double bottoms. Second leg is looking to complete the first leg. So technically, this is like, hold on, change color right quick. So technically, this right here is the first leg. Had the liquidated the previous high right there. Came down, and we're working on the second leg here. Y'all see it's not officially completed just yet. And so, technically, it will complete coming all the way back down to this level. So, it's not necessarily impossible for that to happen. I see it's a support zone down there, too. So,
Oh, okay. So it's basically creating a big head and shoulder.
Yeah, if you consider this level right here, shoulder, right here, because I'm still leaning towards price pushing up to that 36K area first before it drops. I'm still looking for that.
Okay.
But, you know, for sure, see it going down some more. If I extend this a little bit, look at these two lows right here. This one. And then this one. You could put a trend line on that. Stretch it out. And the color right quick. Stretch it out. You see it lines up with that imbalance that's right there. And then look, you got a candle down here with no wick. Oh, well, see, we already wick people. We see right there. So, still possible. You go down to the lower time frames. This is actually this part of the chart right here is a falling pattern. So what I was looking for, a falling wedge, as they say. So I was looking for a price to come down to this area, liquidate these lows right here. And that's a liquidity grab. And then continue up from that point. So only price, so definitely the move down is definitely on the way, but where the bottom is, only price would be able to tell that. Can't necessarily call the bottom. I'm definitely looking at that 11K to 10K area. So we'll see. Neo still on here? Let me see.
Why I've been
Yeah,
talking the whole
yeah.
time and I've been on mute. LOL.
You been talking?
Yes, on mute. Yeah,
Yeah.
bro. I'll accept. Listen, bro. I'll accept 10K. You feel me? But I'm shooting for 3K, man. At least 5. At least 5.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, Meso said last week 5K, and that reminded me. I was like, I think you said that a couple weeks ago. Not a couple weeks, but a couple months ago. 3 to 5K.
Cause I don't know. I mean, it just ain't hit that place in a minute. Like the last time I hit 3K was in March when they announced the pandemic, and they was talking about it was gonna be. It hit 3K, then it hit 60K in a year, and I'm like, that's real interesting. Real.
Right.
Yeah, it is.
Been back to since 2020 is what?
That was 3 years ago.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
lowest that was like 16, 17 now.
I think. Yeah.
For this year, I think it got down to like 16 something. I think. Was it 15?
But I mean, can you go to the yearly chart?
Hold on.
Oh, it might not go that far back.
Yeah.
What you were trying to find on the yearly chart?
I just want to see since 2020, what's the lowest is gone to? Was it this year? Okay.
Lowest has been about right here. About 15,705 is the lowest.
I have a question.
2022.
Oh, that's not that.
Yes. I got a question.
I had a question, but I see because I was like, it looked like a gap, but it wasn't a gap. There was a very small little wicket down there.
What are you talking about? Where?
I see the wick now, so now it's not a question though, boy.
Oh,
I see the wick, but yeah. So I'm like, so you said it was 16, so 15, 17, 15,705.
yeah, a little lower actually when I zoom in.
Yeah, so definitely 10K is gonna get hit for sure. But if it hits 10K and it wicks 3K, it might happen. Because in other countries, well, it hit 8K in them other countries, but it wicked real low.
Yeah.
And that wick hasn't been retraced either. That one that you just drew the line on. There's no retracement there.
Yeah. We haven't tested these levels in a while, so it's possible. Yeah, I know they still have to regulate it.
We're gonna be right.
Still has to be regulated, so that'll
If
probably that
gonna
could be
be
the
right
catalyst for that to happen. Yeah, I know we're on our way to a cashless society. Y'all seen those reverse ATMs?
Yeah, I heard about that.
What's a reverse ATM?
Basically digital.
You've been yeah, go ahead, Castro.
Oh no, I'm just saying basically digital. You can deposit your money into it and basically be online basically. I don't know the details of it.
Yeah, like you been to Dave & Buster's where you could put your cash into the machine, to the kiosk, and then they give you the Dave & Buster's card.
Oh, and it's like digital.
Yep.
Yeah, so basically it's the same thing. You go to a kiosk and you put your cash in there, and then it gives you a Visa debit card or a MasterCard.
Okay.
For like it's like in certain stadiums that are cashless, can't use no cash there, so they had these reverse ATMs there. So if you got cash, that's the only way you're gonna be able to buy anything in the stadium. In certain malls and like that too.
Yeah, but I feel like it's another way for the feds to keep track of everybody's money, like all that.
Definitely,
Well,
definitely.
you know that ain't
How they
gonna
trying to
stop.
Oh yeah,
They want that either way it go.
yeah.
which is crazy. No more privacy.
Exactly.
You know how that shit go.
Fake sugar. Yeah, real. but yeah. So I think we'll definitely have some big moves in the crypto space soon.
Yeah, I definitely get in on Bitcoin for that shit happen.
Yeah, for sure. And of course, Ethereum are identical, ain't it?
Did any of y'all get on Pepe?
No, and is that the coin that Dre said? Did it go up like 5,000% or something like that?
Yeah, in like a day.
Damn.
And
That
I
shit
think
dropped,
and
though.
somebody had made $1 million off like $20.
Yeah, people was eating off that shit in one day, man.
What?
Well, that shit dropped again, so you know, but people waiting for it to get listed on other platforms and shit. And I feel so bad, y'all. I love y'all. I'm sorry, cause we had a Sunday call, and I was like, I'm gonna tell them about Pepe. And this was a week before this shit happened, and I was just like, I don't really know about the coin like that, so I'm not finna tell them, cause I don't really only tell y'all about coins that I've like looked at for real. And
Yeah.
someone just told me to tell y'all, and I was just like, okay, I'm gonna tell them on next week's call. And then that shit popped off, and I was like, bro, fuck all y'all hoes. I'm pissed.
Damn. Right. $20 off $1 million? What?
Man. Sounds sorry, y'all. Don't be mad. Don't be up.
That's like they hit the lottery. They spent 20
Right.
made $1 million.
Yeah, man.
That's crazy.
But see, that's what them altcoins will do for you.
Yeah.
$5 will change your life.
Mm.
Man,
Definitely tap
hey,
in. Yeah.
trying to tell you. Let's take a look at the dollar and see what the dollar got going on. Y'all see? It's old too. It's old. Oh wait, let me switch the background again, y'all. Hold on. Mm-hmm. Wait, what part? Oh, chart. Okay. I don't know. But I see what we have on the dollar here. We have a double bottom. Let's switch this back right quick. I'm sorry, y'all. This is not my typical trading view account, so it looks very weird to me.
Oh no, you good.
Yeah, so we got double. This is the weekly on the dollar as well. So this is a double bottom. We had that bullish engulfing last week, so we could definitely continue up. But y'all know with them double bottoms, you have to always watch for manipulation to be the liquidity grab. So watch for moves like that, which would make sense too with Gold. We think about those USD pairs, it makes sense. But I'm looking for the dollar to continue up and then sell off. So give us a retest somewhere in this area here. And then sell off, continue selling off from that point. If I zoom out, you see, I already have it highlighted. Let me see. This area over here. I think from a long-term perspective, we'll end up, at some point, we'll end up clearing that. I think, I want to say Devontae was talking about 89, I think, a couple of weeks ago. So definitely think that'll happen over time. It might take a couple months for that to happen, but I think we'll definitely start to see the decline of the dollar soon. But you know, we always have to have that break and retest. So we broke structure over here, and now you see price kind of consolidate, moving sideways to potentially give us an opportunity to retest $1 in the market over here, so we can liquidity grab to the upside and then continue down. And that makes sense though, because it lines up with these different USD pairs. This is moving very slow. Yeah, definitely bullish on GU from a long-term standpoint. Back to my other risk. This is so old, y'all. This is look, we were just talking about Vontae. Look, I done talked them up, y'all. So old. This is such an old chart, but this how y'all know y'all trend lines and y'all levels be right though, because you could come back months and years later and see price still respecting your levels. What's going on, Vontae? You joined right on time. I was just talking about you with this with the dollar.
Yeah. What's up with y'all?
Going on. What was that? What was the number you called for the dollar a couple weeks ago? Was it like 89 or something like that?
Yeah. What did I call? Yeah, 89.
Yeah, we was just talking about that. The forecast on the dollar and these USD pairs. But you said, what you selling? You selling UJ, you said?
Yeah. UJ Profits. I'm about to post to the group chat now, actually.
I was going to say, you want to take over? You want to be the host and share your screen and do a couple markups? Or
Hold on. So I'm on my phone right now. Yeah, my laptop dead too.
Oh, this so old. Y'all can tell this old. Look at this.
What everybody been looking at though so far?
We went over US30 and gold, Bitcoin. Talking about
GJ.
Bitcoin. Yeah, GJ. We was talking about Bitcoin because, Meso said 5K on Bitcoin. What you think about that?
That's gonna be a super rally. But when I was marking it up on a weekly and monthly, shit, it don't sound too crazy far off. Like once you mark it up on the higher time frames.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Because for the monthly chart, it's a double top on the monthly. So, that second leg really not complete until it dropped down there anyway.
Yeah, and I don't know if that was to happen. I don't know. It'll probably happen if like Biden did something, especially with this dollar. So I'm actually, if you guys like seen the little post I put in the group chat, I ain't big on conspiracy theories, but shit, I'm a numbers guy and the numbers be adding up. I don't know. So trying to see what's about to happen on Friday on May 19th.
Yeah, when Powell's supposed to speak.
Yeah, but Powell's speaking too, so we got a bunch of red folders this week. So yeah, I know I'm about to be in these back on these forest pairs heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen when you posted it about May 19th. My bad, Abby. I was just saying, I seen that when you posted about May 19th.
Yeah, because I don't know if it's gonna be like a bank close crash, which could definitely possibly happen. I don't know if it's gonna be with these little Fed now debit card shit. Could be Apple with their electric car. I don't know. I'm playing it by ear right now though.
Wait, you said electric car?
Yeah, I don't know if you guys seen that. Apple trying to drop an electric car too. And then
what the fuck?
Yeah, so you see
Apple trying to take over. They trying to take over.
Yeah. So they got like almost close to 3 billion off their savings account with that new savings account, like everybody that signed up and stuff. So yeah, they brought in a lot of new money with that.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
So yeah, Friday definitely be an interesting day in the market for sure. So yeah, we was talking about with Bitcoin, that drop might come from some type of Bitcoin crypto regulation. That might be the catalyst for the drop. Right. I know you seen those reverse ATMs.
Said a reverse ATM?
Yeah, where you go put your cash in the ATM and they give you a debit card, a MasterCard or Visa debit card.
Oh no, I ain't seen that yet.
I'm gonna have to drop that.
When I tell you scared the mess out of me.
I know I was trying
to get kicked like crazy.
Bro, I was trying to put a ATM by the street by my house on Wesley Chapel, and fucking Wells Fargo came and took my damn location.
Random things.
What?
In the house.
Yeah. So y'all,
what you doing up anyway?
If anybody from Decatur, like in the Decatur area, y'all know like the it's an ATM on Wesley Chapel in that little Planet Fitness Plaza right by the new Chick-fil-A.
Hey, yeah, I be using it.
Bro, that was my spot. I fucking found that spot and fucking was talking talking too much about this shit, and these niggas came in and stole my motherfucking spot.
What you mean stole? Like,
Damn, that's fucked up.
I was legit gonna put an ATM right there.
oh, okay.
Man, haters.
Yeah, these niggas came in and built the whole fucking drive-through and lights and shit. I'm like, God damn. I was gonna put a little stand in this bitch, but they put a whole little drive-through.
Damn, I feel you.
Yeah, that's me though, procrastinating. Chick-fil-A took my spot too. I was trying to fucking put a Cane's right there. Got nasty ass Chipotle fucking came in.
Right, it's crazy how they moved right across the street. Like, what the fuck? So I mean, they finna put something else on the other side?
I don't know, cause people were saying, cause you know I've been there my whole life. You know I've been out West Chopper right there, but so y'all know like right next to where Chick-fil-A used to be at across the street, it's like a kind of like some woods, like right there, kind of separating like that Church's Chicken Plaza.
Yeah.
But yeah, they say they didn't want to be over there because they didn't want any trees potentially like falling on the building and shit. And I was like, damn, yeah, that's true, because if a tree fall, that shit coming right
It's
y'all way.
Over with.
Better than churches.
Yeah, but you should, ain't nobody eating at churches right now, so.
Man, they chicken be dry.
It's not about having too much grease in them.
Yeah.
All that.
What are you selling you that to, Vante?
What my TP? 135, 800. Yeah, 135, 800.
I was just trying to see what the fee is. On an hour.
I'm about to share my screen in a couple seconds. I'm getting loaded up here.
All right, let me know when you're ready. I'll make you the host.
All right.
Ain't nobody say nothing about no lunch. I don't want no lunch. I want breakfast. You want something else like lunch or something? Ain't nobody say nothing about no lunch. I don't want no lunch. I want breakfast. You want something else like lunch or something?
Let's see on supercharts. Is anybody else taking advantage of these little prop firms too right now?
Yes, Sirski. I'm mad I missed. I completely forgot about that sale on what was it? My Forest Funds that had them 10K accounts for $50.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they 10K accounts pretty cheap too. Anyway, compared to everybody else, they only $100, so that's not bad at all. I tell everybody to take advantage of the funded accounts though. Because people tell me they got $200 to trade. I'm just like, man, you might as well go get you a 10K or 25K account or something with that.
All right.
Well, he's about to go straight to the broker if you don't. Unless you really know what you're doing. Unless you somebody like Rudolph. So Rudolph be flipping them $200 accounts.
Yeah. Rudolph got his bots going crazy.
Oh, he got a bot?
Hell yeah.
I need me one of them then. Shoot.
Damn, so it's best to just have a funding account instead of just a live account, basically.
Yeah, if you're
Both.
not trying. But yeah, I'm about to say, yeah, you should definitely have both.
Okay,
but,
okay.
I tell people because it'll be people that's just starting out, and they just wanna ask me what they can do with $200, and I'm just like, mainly I trade US 30, so it's really not too many brokers out there that's gonna let you trade US 30 with 200, unless you're using mini lots. So I feel like it's best to go ahead and just go take that 200 and go buy you a 10K account, or depending on. All right, Neo had to go. But
all right.
yeah.
You can make me the host now too, Abby.
All right. Depending on who you with, some of them you might be able to get a 25K account. 200.
All right.
I feel like it's best
it's just with the funded account, you just gotta play by different rules. You gotta wait to get paid.
I'm about to say, yeah, they got rules and regulations and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not, to me, it's not that hard. You just gotta make sure you understand their rules and make sure you pay attention to news and all of that. And then just play by the rules until you get paid. Because once you get paid, you can use that to fund your live account. And then you can trade how you want to trade in there.
Cool, bet. All right.
Because a lot of them, you can get you a 100K account for only like 500.
Oh.
Pretty good, in my opinion.
True.
Right,
yeah. So now that we pretty much mastered US 30, this made the Forex pair so much easier to trade and profit off of. Just the scaling down on the smaller time frames, getting the sniper entries and stuff. But so as you guys know, the rest of the world stopped messing with the US dollar. So that pretty much gave us good bullish momentum for the dollar to crash, and which has kind of been doing these last couple of weeks here. So as you guys know, trading with the dollar, the dollar pairs move with the dollar index. So if it starts with USD, it's gonna move the same exact way as the dollar index. Then if it ends in USD, it's gonna do the exact opposite. So already knowing that, that's pretty much like a cheat code to so much profit. So just knowing that, you can kind of just watch the dollar, see which way it's going, and that's how you can pretty much figure out your entry point. So like I said, as y'all can see, so since October of last year, a good 7 months now, the dollar has been crashing. And like I said, that's due to the rest of the world announcing that they're not going to mess with the dollar anymore. So that pretty much gave us this nice little sell-off here. I'm gonna just draw a trend line there for you so y'all can, like I said, just see what I'm looking at. The mouse. So this is pretty much the downtrend I've been looking at these last couple of weeks and days and stuff. Especially trading on the funding account too, and then doing my live account. A little bit easier because I can with the fund account, being so much more. I still treat it as kind of like a demo account still, but I know it's, you know, play money potentially to turn into real money. So one of my techniques I like to do is like all my first entries are micro lot sizes, just so I can you know, test the entry and see if it pulls back. But if it does some way pull it back, and y'all know that's when I'm popping multiple entries and I'm upping my lot size on them to get more profits. So just knowing the trend, the overall trend of the markets and like the pair that you're looking to trade will also make you a lot profitable too. Because you clear, I mean, unless you're scalping like me, you know not to like go against the trend. So like I said, this has clearly been selling for months now. And a lot of the other pairs have been as well. So just to look at UJ real quick, because that's the trade I'm in right now. And then I like UJ too because it's one of the Forex major pairs. So that's one of the pairs that's traded the most. But then it's also one of the less volatile pairs, meaning you can do up your lots a little bit higher with more risk management because of the volatility of that pair. Is not as volatile. So like what Abby said, like $200, like I could drop a standard with UJ with a $200 account. I just know, like I said, it better be a sniper entry where I know I'm like pretty much pipping the dip and trying to build those accounts.
Oh God, because the standard on $200 got what? You probably got about 10 to 15 pips before the broker margin call you.
Right? They got them snatching. Damn, it took my markup away. It just had UJ marked up for y'all before I became a host. But then that's my technique too. I'm strictly supporter resistance. Nah, that's just the principles of trading and investing. Buy low, sell high, and you can definitely do that with supporter resistance. Just making everything a little bit more simple and less complicated. What did I got my stop loss up for this? 136, 250. But yeah, since I'm back on these Forex pairs, I can tell y'all this now. I'm gonna definitely be in GU heavy and UJ. And then y'all know US 30 and Bitcoin, of course.
Yeah, GJ swing been solid for real. That buy been solid. Yeah. Everybody been eating up GJ the past couple weeks.
Yeah, all the yen pairs been bullish. Definitely good setups for swings. Yeah, I definitely probably caught like a good 100 pips off of UJ last week. I know Dre caught it too. See if we got anything coming up for tomorrow. You got a couple red photos for tomorrow. So we could see the dollar pumping or dumping here soon. But that's probably gonna be around London session tonight. So I know I'm gonna be up. So I'll definitely keep y'all posted with that. So I'm gonna probably be looking to get in GU and GJ around that time during London session, like right before, like an hour before. Go ahead and get some scalps in.
Hey, yeah, bet. You already know. Let me know. I'll be on it.
Yeah. So yeah, this GU, like I said, is already the nice little setup here. Expected our support down here. So like I said, it didn't break. Like I said, the dollar's bullish right now. So GU is going to be doing the opposite, which is going up, increasing the price. Everybody trying to buy the dollar while it's cheap. But this blue line here too is pretty much like a fib zone. I just took the fib off just to like the retracement. So that's what I'm looking, like I said, in there around London session tonight, because I see the dollar already pulling back right now. Some of my profits are already gone on UJ. Yeah, if it pulled back to around this 1.24950 area, that's what I'm looking at it to do, especially with the moving average right there on the line as well. And that's pretty much like my my super entries. Like I said, I'm doing multiple, or I'm gonna just do like a big lot size entry there. Especially since I'm coming home this weekend and trying to have some fun with everybody. So it's definitely money to be made this week.
Yes, sir. What day you coming again, Bate?
Be home Friday when I get off. Well, Saturday morning, really. That's when I land.
Okay, that's a bit.
Oh yeah, definitely got to link up.
Oh yeah, I ain't doing shit but chilling.
Anybody have any questions or anything, any pairs y'all want to go over? Because we at our 1 hour mark. So time for that Q&A.
Gosh, I'm good for the most part.
Gucci.
Okay, that's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. Did you have anything else you wanted to go over, Bate?
Oh, what the gas prices looking like? I forgot. That's what I've been meant to.
They vary,
It's May
bro.
now. What
They
the
vary.
gas prices?
Sometimes the east side cheaper than like the north side or Decatur or whatever, like Dunwoody area. But sometimes it's the other way around. It really depends.
Yeah,
Like,
hell yeah. That should be flip flopping.
What's the highest y'all been seeing lately?
But the highest right now is 330.
330.
Yeah, 340, 330, 340.
Yeah, it's kind of like it's like 325 over here where I'm at.
Yeah, cause we back over $4 out here. We buy like 430, 433.
But if you play it right, you can always find some gas under 310. On Panola, the QT on Panola is 309 right now.
Oh no, we looking to buy. we finna profit off of it. That's all. That's all I was asking.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That shit flip flopping over here.
Yeah, y'all know we
need
trade
that.
oil.
Need all that.
Yeah. Other than Tesla, oil was my biggest breadwinner. Oh my God, this shit God damn, my bad, y'all. Man, I was looking at this shit when it was at $100 a barrel.
My mama comes back
Yeah.
one time.
Damn.
She said why when I bought it. I said, what?
I'm trying to keep my eye on it too. Y'all see over here to the left, y'all see this big, damn. Y'all see that big gap? Hold on, let me go back real quick. Y'all see this big gap right here? Went from 80 all the way down to about 75.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look like it's trying to.
I seen that a while ago. Yeah.
Look like it's trying to go back and fill that gap, especially with this long wick. Everyone ran out. Damn, that was last week.
Yeah, it look like a push up on the way on that.
Yeah, I want this 80 entry right here. Please open, because I see them games. Oh, they ain't gonna let oil go back down to zero again. Oil prices still gains on US. See, like news like this right here to show me the dollar that's gonna keep crashing too. Empire State Manufacturing data disappoints. I didn't meeting with the government about debt ceilings. Say, bro, baby boomers running out of.
Bro, they done raised the debt ceiling twice.
Ain't gonna be here too much longer to keep making these laws.
They done raised the debt ceiling.
I got oil going to like 40.
Yep, agreed. If that if it crashed all the way to zero again. And I know what I'm doing this time.
God, yeah. I seen last time where oil had went to zero, somebody had made like 100K in 24 hours. On the Forex app, though, on MetaTrader.
I made like 4 racks. They ain't even close it out. Cause I was busy driving and talking, trying to record and make videos and shit.
I remember that. I seen that on YouTube. I remember that.
Yeah, I know the highest I was like 4,200. I think I took the highest I seen it was like 4,200, and I think I closed out with profit like 980. That was still what 3 years ago, just strictly supporter resistance still.
Sheesh, that's crazy.
Yeah, I can get ready for low gas prices. Again, might get like one more bounce.
Yeah, and if I know they keep dropping, we can go ahead and short oil.
Yeah. We might test $100 again and then sell off.
That's what I need. That $100 entry.
Yeah, that's the entry right there. That might be a 618 entry. Let me put the fib on it right quick. See. Yeah, that's the one. It's in that golden zone for sure.
About to throw a fib on there as soon as my computer stopped acting retarded.
It's 7 o'clock.
Yeah, if y'all got any more questions, hit us up in a group chat.
Make sure y'all got y'all calendars marked for next week. Not this Friday, but the next Friday. We'll be meeting up. We'll let y'all know the location. We'll let y'all know the location by Thursday. So, it'll be closer to the city this time. It won't be all the way in Smyrna, how it's been the past couple months, but so we'll definitely let y'all know. And then y'all know if I get an entry, I'll let y'all know. And if Vontae and Dre gets an entry, they'll let y'all know as well. And y'all know we here to help. So if y'all have any questions or anything like that, just let us know in the chat.
Bet. Appreciate y'all.
No problem. Other than that, though, y'all enjoy the rest of y'all evening. This is recorded too, so I'm about to drop the recording in the chat as soon as Zoom finish doing the processing.
All right. Y'all be safe. I'll see y'all in the chat.
All right. Have a good one.